Remember offices? Remember those beige boxes filled with uncomfortable chairs and the faint scent of stale coffee? Yeah, me neither. Okay, I'm exaggerating. But seriously, the way we work has changed. Big time. No more rush hour, no more awkward water cooler conversations. It's the rise of the home office, baby. This shift didn't happen overnight. Technology slowly but surely made it possible. Faster internet, laptops instead of bulky desktops, and of course, video conferencing. But it took a certain something to kick things into overdrive. Enter the pandemic. Suddenly, everyone from your grandma to your boss was forced to figure out this whole remote work thing. But hold on, what about all those meetings? How do you chat with your coworkers when you're miles apart? You need a way to connect, to collaborate, to basically pretend you're in the office without actually being there. That's where Zoom swooped in and stole the show. Before the pandemic, video conferencing was a thing, sure, but it was kind of a pain. Clunky software, confusing interfaces. Remember trying to explain to your boss how to unmute themselves? Not fun. Then came Zoom. Clean, simple, easy to use. Even your tech-challenged uncle could figure it out. Need to share your screen? Boom, one button. Want to record the meeting for those who missed it? Done. Zoom was like the cool kid in school that everyone wanted to hang out with. But Zoom wasn't just about simplicity. It had this fun, almost playful vibe. Remember the virtual backgrounds? Suddenly you could be in Hawaii 1 minute and outer space the next, all while discussing spreadsheets. Okay, maybe not the most professional setting, but hey, it kept things interesting. Zoom made remote work, dare I say it, enjoyable. Zoom wasn't an overnight sensation. Eric Yuan, the founder, had a vision. He saw a future where distance wouldn't matter, where connecting with anyone, anywhere would be seamless. He started small, building a solid platform focusing on user experience. The early days were all about getting the word out, convincing businesses to ditch their old ways and embrace the Zoom life. Then came 2020, the year the world stood still. Except for Zoom, their growth went through the roof. Everyone needed them, schools, businesses, families, even your dog walker probably had a Zoom account. But this wasn't just luck. Zoom was ready. Their platform handled the surge. Their team worked tirelessly to keep things running smoothly. They listened to their users, constantly adding features and improving the experience. They were the right tool at the right time. Let's face it, the pandemic was rough, but amidst the chaos, Zoom became a lifeline. It kept businesses running, schools teaching, and families connected. Suddenly, Grandma could read bedtime stories to her grandkids across the country. Teachers could still engage with their students, even if it meant dealing with the occasional pet or pajama-clad toddler wandering into the frame. Zoom wasn't just for work anymore, it was for life. It became a virtual town square, a place to connect, to share, to laugh, and yes, sometimes to cry. It reminded us that even in isolation, we were not alone. Zoom became a symbol of resilience, a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt.